it just tends to split and tear apart and stuff like that. Especially when you pry it apart with a pry bar or something sharp, and it just pulls it apart. Okay, so I've got my bricks underneath this one, and I think this one will be more difficult than that one. So I'm going to drop this big piece of cement onto the pallet, and I want to put something on there to protect it so that I don't ruin the next piece. So I'm just going to this is what I'm going to drop the cement on, and I just want to make sure I keep my toes out from underneath it when I do this. Now this is pretty heavy, so we're going to lift with our legs. When I drop this, well, whatever, you'll see. So I guess you also don't want too much space in here, because then you would break this board when at this point. So you can see it's all come out, and I can just repeat the process. And it comes out pretty cleanly. So it won't work every time. Sometimes you'll just have a board that's just cracked and wrecked and you won't want to use it. It'll work a lot more often than just the hammer will. You can see just hitting it like that isn't as good. You really need to drop something heavy on it, like a cinder block. Alright, so there you go. Perfectly good piece. Then I can just hammer these nails out a little bit. And just pull them like normal. You might find yourself in a place where there's a board on both sides of the pallet. And if that happens, you can just make kind of a bridge like this. And so we can do it here. Sometimes, especially when you're doing the last one on the end, you want to put your foot on top of the thing that you're going to remove in case it flies up. So for one pallet, I got these pieces here. 4 2x4s, they have a lot of holes in them, of course. And all of this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 boards. And almost all of them are intact, except for I think there was a knot in the end of one, so it didn't work so well.